Today, we're spilling the beans on a topic that's close to many of our hearts: achieving that perfect, natural white smile. And guess what? You don't need chemicals or expensive treatments. Make sure you stick till the end. And trust me, some of these might just surprise you. City life, coffee breaks, wine nights, and those delicious curries. But they leave behind, well, memories on our teeth. A radiant smile can light up a room, boost confidence, and leave lasting impressions. But when our teeth aren't as white as we'd like, it can make us feel self-conscious, sometimes even ashamed. First on our list, the wonder ingredient, activated charcoal. Activated charcoal has been gaining fame as an amazing home remedy for teeth whitening. And it's no surprise, since it's one of the easiest and most inexpensive products to naturally whiten your teeth. But how does this pitch black powder transform into a teeth whitening wonder? One of the primary reasons activated charcoal is effective at whitening teeth lies in its powerful adsorptive properties. Note that in adsorption. Instead of absorbing stains, activated charcoal binds to them. The porous nature of activated charcoal means it can trap and lift away compounds that stain teeth. The texture of activated charcoal provides a gentle abrasive effect. When brushed onto teeth, it can help in removing surface stains, leading to a brighter appearance. However, it's this same quality that requires users to be gentle and cautious. Overzealous brushing can lead to enamel erosion. An acidic mouth environment can erode enamel and make yellowing dentin, the tooth layer beneath enamel, more visible. Activated charcoal can help balance oral pH, creating a less acidic environment. This is not only beneficial for enamel but also for overall oral health. To use it, you crush up the charcoal into a powder, or you can buy it already as a powder. Dip your clean wet toothbrush into it, and brush your teeth as you normally do. And brush gently for 2 minutes and rinse thoroughly. It might look scary when you brush, but once you rinse, voila! Instant brightness. For best results, use activated charcoal 2-3 times a week. Next, a dynamic duo, coconut oil and baking soda. The quest for a brighter smile has led many to explore natural remedies, and among the most popular are baking soda and coconut oil. But what makes this combination so effective, and why does it work so quickly? Baking soda, a common household ingredient, is known for its stain-removing properties. When applied to teeth, it acts as a mild abrasive, gently scrubbing away surface stains caused by foods, drinks, and other external factors. This is why many people notice a brighter smile after just a few uses. Moreover, baking soda toothpaste has been supported by evidence for its bacteria-killing, plaque-reducing, and teeth whitening effects. However, it's essential to use baking soda judiciously, as excessive or aggressive brushing can potentially harm the enamel. Coconut oil has been praised for its numerous health benefits. In the realm of oral care, coconut oil is touted for its potential to combat gum disease and tooth decay. Coconut oil helps in removing bacteria and plaque. This not only promotes overall oral health but also aids in teeth whitening by reducing the bacterial load that can lead to yellowing. When combined, coconut oil and baking soda form a potent mix that offers dual benefits: the abrasive action of baking soda for stain removal and the antibacterial properties of coconut oil for a cleaner, healthier mouth. This synergy is likely why many individuals experience rapid results. The mix gently whitens teeth and combats bacteria, leading to a brighter and healthier smile. Mix equal parts of coconut oil and baking soda to form a smooth paste. This can be your go-to paste twice a week for those sparkly whites. Last, but by no means least, the golden magic, turmeric and coconut oil. Turmeric might stain your clothes, but it does wonders in whitening teeth. Surprising, right? In the quest for a radiant smile, many have turned to natural remedies, with turmeric emerging as a popular choice. But why turmeric, a spice known for its vibrant yellow hue and staining capabilities? While the exact mechanism behind turmeric's teeth whitening properties remains somewhat mysterious, its consistent use has been shown to contribute to a healthier, brighter smile. Unlike conventional whitening strips, which can cause gum irritation and make teeth brittle, turmeric offers a safer alternative. Not only does it help in naturally whitening the teeth, but it also brings along a plethora of oral health benefits. Turmeric has positive effects on gingival inflammation and dental pain, making it a holistic choice for oral care. To make the golden magic, mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a dash of coconut oil. Blend into a radiant paste. Given turmeric's staining prowess, you might want to use a separate toothbrush for this. And remember, consistency is key. Natural remedies are a fantastic way to achieve that dream smile. But always remember, regular dental checkups and good oral hygiene are irreplaceable. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up. Got any natural teeth whitening tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for joining us today. Keep smiling, and we'll see you next time.